Hey everyone, it's Amy. Today I have for you a package that I got in from JellyNails. So JellyNails did send me over this package. It has a bunch of fun stuff for spring and summer. Some of her new products, so I did want to share them. And everything is nice and individually wrapped. So this first one is some dried flowers. And these are the little itty bitty ones. So you can use them as a whole piece like that, or you can cut them into smaller pieces and use like the individuals. This case comes with 2 of each colors, so this will last you a long time, especially if you cut them up. But we got some gorgeous pink ones in here, green, blue, this yellow one is really pretty. Then we have another case of dried flowers. These ones are larger ones. So you'll definitely need to embed the flowers, but here is what one of them looks like. Again, they're pretty big, so if you have a bigger nail, you could get away with using the whole thing, or you can cut up some petals, do a couple at a time, and then there are some leaves in here as well. Then we have a pack of glitters. These are gorgeous glitters. They're so pretty. So we have 12 iridescent colors. They're just so pretty. I don't even know what else to say. They're so pretty. I like the mix. So they do have some bigger chunkies and then some smaller ones mixed in there with some fine, all in the different colors. This is a gorgeous, this would be a really good pack to have for spring and summer because it has all of the colors you would need. And just even adding a little accent, like this is a design I did for a different video, but I just kind of gave it like a little swoop of some glitter. Just even that, it just adds that little bit of accent, little bit of glitter, perfect to add to any design. So here are the 2 packs of neon powders. We got a couple different shades of orange, a couple different shades of pink, a white, a blue, a yellow, a purple, that purple is gorgeous, a green. This one's almost like a coral versus a pink. And I like how they all screw together too. So this is what they look like on the inside. These are fun to do like ombres with, different types of nail art with these. Really pretty. And you get a lot of colors in the 2 packs. So here is the overhaul of what I got from JellyNails. We have the neon pigments, we have the iridescent glitter packs, and then the 2 sets of dried flowers. Again, everything here has a variety of colors, and just even getting a couple of these will set you up for your spring and your summer designs. You can use these in a lot of different ways. So I do want to do a few tutorials for you guys, show you a few different ways on how to use these neon pigments. So I do have 3 different swatches prepped. I have 2 black ones and 1 white one that I will be showing you how to do the designs on. The first design I want to show you is how to do rainbow smoke. So I'm going to go ahead and take one of the black swatch sticks, and then I'm going to take the blooming gel, again from JellyNails, paint a thin layer of this on, and I'm going to take the number 9 striping gel polish from JellyNails, and we're just going to create a little swirl on there, and the blooming gel is going to spread it out, make it look kind of like smoke. I did decide that the line that I did was a little bit too thick, so I added a little bit of the blooming gel to my palette here, and I'm just going to take that dipped in a brush and I'm going to run it through to break up that line, and then once the smoke is how I like it, I go ahead and cure that. Now for the rainbow smoke, I am going to use the rainbow pigments. So starting off with the kind of coral color, the orange, the yellow, the green, the blue, and then the hot pink. I'm just going to dip a little bit onto my brush here. This is just a old makeup brush that I wasn't using for makeup anyways. So I'm just going to dip it into the pigment and then brush it into the gel. I did not remove the tacky layer. I'm doing the pigment right on top of it. And I just blend in the colors one by one. I go ahead and top coat the design and seal it in. This was a pretty easy design. You're using a bunch of different pigments. You're using different supplies like the blooming gel and the striping gel brushes. So stuff you may already have laying around. This is a super fun, easy design to do. Now you don't have to do rainbow. You could do whatever color smoke you want to do. The second design we're going to do is a neon ombre with stamping on top. So I decided I wanted to do more of a simple ombre. So I got the pink to go into the orange, into the yellow. So here is my white swatch stick. I just have 2 layers of white gel polish painted on, and again, I did not remove the tacky layer. I'm doing this right on top. I'm just going to dip my brush into the pigment, and then I'm going to brush it on and then change colors, try to blend them in. I go back and forth between the powder and the nail to kind of blend in the colors. Once the colors are blended how you like, you can go ahead and take any stamping plate. This one I'm going to use has a bunch of fun mandalas on it. So I'm going to take some black stamping polish, pick that up and stamp it right on top of the ombre that we just created. And then you're going to go ahead and top coat and seal in this design. I would recommend doing 2 top coats over this design to really seal in that pigment as well as the stamping polish. This one is probably my favorite design to do with the neon pigments. It is super easy and you just stamp your design right on top of it. So you get that pretty neon, different colors with your design right on top. It looks like you've done a lot of work, but really it only took you a couple minutes. The last design I'm going to show you how to do, I'm going to call this neon signs. So I'm going to take my other black swatch stick and I'm going to take the same white gel striping polish, and you're going to draw on whatever design you want. So here I am drawing on a rose. I'm doing the rose with some leaves on the sides. I had inspiration for my background. Obviously you can see that right there. Once you have your design drawn out and cured, you're going to go ahead and pick whatever neon pigments you want to fill it in with. So I'm going to do the neon pink for the rose, and I'm going to do the green for the leaves. And you're just packing that pigment right on top of the design, putting the colors where you want them, and it creates its own like neon sign effect. So you can really do whatever design you want. You could do flames, you could do hearts, flowers, whatever you can draw, and then just color it in with the neon pigments. So here is a look over the 3 designs I just showed you. They are super easy to do, but really the possibilities are endless with these neon pigments. You can do so many different types of designs with them. Remember, I do have a discount code with JellyNails. I'll put it on the screen as well as it'll be in the description box down below. Make sure you stock up on all of your spring and summer supplies at JellyNails. And thank you again to JellyNails for sending me over this lovely package. If you like my tutorial videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe for more coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.